What you're looking for is, let's see, we have create a new ad, boost Facebook content. Let's see, get more people to see and engage with your post. So you want to create new ad. But this is kind of like just summary. This is not what it is. So you should be able to, the image, I think if you do it this way, the image might not work, but you need to get the image in there first. And from that image, you want to create an ad with it. So you can say in this use a post. Can you click on use a post? Yeah. So now this will show you all the posts you have posted. You can use any one of the posts. So most likely you're going to post the image first as a regular Facebook post, then click on it. So click on any one post for us. So you can click on use post there. So that's what the image that pops up, right? Then at the top where it says automatic, can you click on change? So this one that tells you what you want to do. So like I said, I want WhatsApp messages. So send your ad to people. Don't click yet. Who are most likely to send you a message? Get more followers. Scroll down for me. Get more join group requests. Reach people with common interests to promote your group. Okay. Scroll down. Is that the last part? Click to link on a URL in it. Anyway, scroll, get more calls, get more page followers, scroll up. Hold on, get more bookings. Show your ad to people. I'm more like to send you a message. Get more leads, collect contact information for potential. Let's click on message, get more messages. So scroll down and click on next or save. Scroll down again to your left, scroll down. So you can add more than one message here. I just want to see what a message. Scroll down. Okay, message templates. Hold on. Okay, scroll down for me. Keep scrolling down. Hold on. Message, the same people. Wait. Okay, good. So I want you to click on WhatsApp. That's the idea. So scroll down. Okay, so WhatsApp is checked. Hopefully it works. So scroll down. Okay, so they will most likely WhatsApp the company line. And so we need to set up an automatic message. So you need to change your audience. What people do you want to reach? You want to reach. So you can tell ChatGPT to give you like a prospective audience for your Facebook ad to use. Then you now create your audience yourself. You create a new audience for who you're trying to reach. But I want to focus on those in Nigeria. Let's focus. Your area should be Nigeria. So just kind of create your audience around it. ChatGPT can give you all the audience and how to create one.